Audi RS7 is here, and it's redefining what a luxury performance sedan can be. With its twin turbocharged V8, stunning fastback design, and cutting-edge technology, this beast is turning heads and breaking speed limits, figuratively speaking, of course. But here's the real question. Is this the best-looking performance sedan on the market? Drop emoji in the comments if you agree. Welcome to Auto Explorer, where we bring you the latest deep dives into the world of high-performance cars. If you're passionate about cars, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We read every comment, and your take might just get featured in our next video. Comment below, would you choose the RS7 over its biggest rival, the BMW M5 Competition, or Mercedes AMG E63S? Let's settle the debate. Let's start with the design, because this car demands attention. The RS7 sports Audi's signature single-frame grille, now wider and more aggressive than ever, flanked by HD matrix LED headlights with laser light technology, offering insane visibility at night. The flared wheel arches give it that signature wide-body stance, and at the rear, the full-length LED light bar and oval RS exhaust tips complete the ultra-modern, high-performance look. Now, let's talk about the heart of this machine. The 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Audi didn't hold back. This beast produces a staggering 621 horsepower and 627 low BFT of torque, sending all that power to Quattro all-wheel drive via an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. Performance stats confirm 0.3 seconds. Top speed electronically limited to 155 mph or up to 198. The optional dynamic package mild hybrid system increases efficiency while keeping performance razor sharp. Would you daily drive a 600 plus horsepower luxury sedan? Let us know your thoughts. Power is nothing without control, and Audi made sure the RS7 handles like a dream. You get adaptive air suspension for a perfect blend of comfort and sportiness. Dynamic all-wheel steering for better agility at low speeds and more stability at high speeds. Quattro AWD with torque vectoring, ensuring maximum grip in any condition. Optional upgrade, the RS Sport suspension with dynamic ride control, DR, a must-have if you want sharper cornering and a more engaging driving feel. Inside, the RS7 is pure Audi, luxurious, high-tech, and built for the driver. The cockpit is fully digital with a 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit, displaying performance data, G-forces, and even a lap timer. The center console houses dual touchscreens for infotainment and climate control, finished in piano black and aluminum trim. Interior highlights: USA shop seats in Valcona leather with honeycomb stitching, RS steering wheel with customizable WADS mode buttons, Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system, because a car this fast deserves a sound system to match. Now, let's talk numbers. The base price of the 2024 Audi RS7 starts at around $125,000, but with all the performance and tech upgrades, you're looking at closer to $150,000 plus for a fully loaded model. Breakdown of pricing tiers. Standard RS7, $125,800. With dynamic package, $190,000 top, $150,000. Fully loaded, carbon ceramic brakes, RS Sport suspension, $150,000. Availability. The 2024 RS7 is already available at Audi dealerships across the US, Europe, and other key markets, but with demand skyrocketing, getting one might require joining a waiting list or paying a premium. Is the RS7 worth the price tag? Drop your thoughts in the comments. So there you have it, a supercar disguised as a luxury sedan, combining insane performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable Audi design. But now it's your turn. Can you picture yourself driving this? Describe your perfect road trip in the comments below. Before you go, smash that like button if you love this deep dive, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next feature on the BMW M5 CS. We'll feature the best comments in our next video, so make yours count. This has been Auto Explorer, where we bring you the thrill of performance cars one video at a time. See you in the next one. What do you think? Would you like to see a head-to-head comparison between the Audi RS7 and the BMW M5 competition? Let us know in the comments.